I'm Ashvin Gosain. I'm a professor at Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi, and I work in the area of water modeling. I'm a hydrologist and done a lot of work on the climate change implication to the water sector. Basically, the two communications which have gone out of India, one in 2004 and one in 2012, both the water resources work is our group work. In the HELIX, we have been asked to look at South Asia as a case, as a regional case, where what will be the implications to the water resources as well as the implications to the socio-economic aspects. So this is a very good take away from the previous work in terms of putting the two together, because when you're looking at the adaptation options, you cannot give the adaptation options unless you understand the local socio-economic aspects also. So in this work, we are trying to put the two together and look at the integration. So the work which we have done to start with, to understand what is the wish list of the stakeholders, what they look forward from such an exercise which is being put in place, and that has given us a lot of ideas to really look at how we should reposition ourselves into addressing these issues. We are, along with Bangladesh, we are looking at the total Ganga Basin as a basin, what the Ganga Basin has to offer as of now and what it will be offering in future, what will be the implications of the future climate change onto the resource availability, and thus further implicating the socio-economic fabric of the whole area, and come out with solutions which are sustainable, because that's a very big challenge. Most of the time people are in their own silos, they are looking at the implication and then coming out with their own ideas that this can be done, which might not be sustainable. We are also looking at what is the environmental functions of the river and trying to understand that what is the demand of the river in terms of serving the environmental functions and what has to be restored. In our systems, these are very highly depleted systems, and that is an additional challenge. Unless we look at what is the present status and try to restore that status, irrespective of whether the climate change really becomes a reality or not, that is a huge task, and we have already started with that task, at how we can restore the Ganga as a system, both in terms of the quantity as well as the quality issues. And we are engaging not as part of the HELIX, but HELIX will also be taking advantage of that. We are engaging with how we want to bring all the stakeholders, which are around 11 states in India, who are partner in Ganga Basin, and the Ganga River Basin Management Plan has been put together, where we have also participated, and we are trying to implement that plan as part of the Ganga River Basin Management Authority initiative, which was formulated in 2008 by the Prime Minister, who is the chairman of this authority.